Happy World Lake Day on this 27th of August 2025, the official United Nations Day, World Lake Day. And I am celebrating it in the most beautiful nature here in Flaten on my favorite lake in Stockholm. So I was watching the news this morning, and then it appeared that for the very first time this year, United Nations is raising awareness how to keep our lakes fresh and alive and out of pollution, actually. So that is why this day has been made. Now, I'm not sponsored by United Nations or by any kind of that, but I really felt like my content that I do with the beach adventures definitely brings up to that awareness that if we want to keep the lakes intact, we need to protect them, and we need to be very mindful when we visit the nature, and not to we need to not to put out any garbage in the forest or in the lake. That is big no for sure, as we need to keep our lakes fresh and drink water, get fresh water from them for years to come. Now, this is one of my favorite lakes in Stockholm for sure, and I am here on this spot in particular. It's quite hard to get, and it can be considered a nudist beach spot as well, for sure. Here on the Lake Flaten, actually all of the north part and the part that is a bit hard to get to can be considered clothing optional for sure. And I have once again missed the sun. So there was sun while I was cycling to get here, and this happens to me every single day. So if you have noticed the episodes from the past few days, it's either lots of clouds, and even yesterday I got rain, but on my way to and from the beach there is sun. It's like so strange that when I just go into the beach, at the beach, it's all of a sudden heavy clouds. But yeah, it is what it is. Here is my Scott bike that got me here. 9.3 kilometers, I think, around 24 minutes, but I also needed to walk 5 minutes through the forest, and I carried my bike along, but it was worth it to show you this beautiful Lake Flaten from this angle. It's been a while since I've been on this spot. I think it was in spring, so it was about time for sure. Now let's see what kind of temperature we are dealing with in Lake Flaten today. As you can see, the water is so clean and so clear and so fresh, and we should keep it that way by taking care of the nature. And I'm raising this awareness on this World Lake Day today. While I will show you more of the lake while the thermometer is measuring. I think 4 or 5 days ago I was on the completely other side of the lake, and it was 19 degrees Celsius in the lake. Let's see what we are dealing with today. Oh, just 1 degree colder. It is 18 degrees Celsius in this lake. But yesterday and the day before that, in 2 different lakes that it was 17. So this is slightly warmer. Now, YouTube has launched also hype video function that every one of you can hype 3 videos for free per week. So if you are a fan of my content, make sure to click hype, not just like on this video. And let's then, oh, now I have some company that is also celebrating the World Lake Day. This duck that now just disappeared. All right, so let's go in for a quick dip in Lake Flaten to fully celebrate this World Lake Day. And now we also got some sun as well, very a little amount behind the clouds that are over there. All right, let's see. Here we have super slippery entry, and I see also some seashells that I once cut my foot on, so I need to be careful when I go in, and also not to disturb the flora and fauna in the lake as well. All right, I think I'm gonna go on this side. It's a bit easier to get into, even though there is a bit more flora around. Okay, it's a bit hard even on that end, but I will manage somehow to get inside, don't worry. Okay, so let's try it anyway, this, even though it is slippering. Ooh. Here we go. All right, then Beach Adventures with Kris on World Lake Day. All right, then we have ready, set, and go. Just look at the water inside. Isn't it amazing? It looks even better when the sun is up, but it's definitely a super nice swim in the lake. So happy World Lake Day on this 27th of August, and beach the number 103, I think, on this Beach Adventures. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.